how to transfer Fiverr to new phone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you transfer Fiverr files or data to your new phone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Fiverr app with your account. Alright, so once you open the Fiverr app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on this three dot just at the bottom right corner. So simply tap on this more. And now from here, tap on the settings. Okay, so from the settings section, you'll have to tap on account. And now from the account, tap on Fiverr backup. Okay, so from this section Fiverr backup, make sure you have set the backup for your phone to transfer your Fiverr data or files to your new phone. So from here you can connect with your Google Drive. So simply tap on this. And now from here choose any Google ID for the backup. Okay, so simply continue. And now after you're done from here, you'll have to just tap on this backup now option just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so after you make the backup from here, you'll have to just back from here and open this Fiverr app on your new phone. So simply open the Fiverr app on your new phone. Okay, so again you'll have to log in with your account, and now from here tap on three dot. From here tap on settings, and now from your account, and again from your Fiverr backup. And now from here, if you have made a backup, you'll got options like download your files and data. So from here you can easily transfer your Fiverr data to your new phone. So this is the easiest and simplest process. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.